What's going on, guys? My name is Wade with Tech Daily. So as the weather heats up and you start to plan your trips for the summer, some of you guys might be fortunate enough to journey outside of your home country. And if that's the case, you'll want to make sure you have the proper gear to ensure you can stay connected and charged up wherever you go. And depending on the country you end up traveling to, you'll likely be dealing with a different kind of wall plug than what you have at home, which is why a set of wall plug adapters might just be the most valuable tech travel investment you make for your trip. This is the 13 adapter set of interchangeable international wall plugs from the folks over at Ceptics, and it might just be the most extensive adapter collection I've seen at a crazy affordable price. Right off the bat, I will say that if you're interested in picking up this travel set, I'll leave a link down below in the video description to their website where it's actually on sale right now for an additional 15% off, so make sure you don't miss out on saving a bit of money if you're in the market for one of these. Like I mentioned, this set includes 13 different interchangeable wall plug adapters that will work in over 200 countries around the world, which is basically all of them. And the best part is, you aren't stuck filling up your backpack or luggage with stuff you don't need, since you can pick and choose the right plugs for your journey. Inside the box here, you can see that we get the main wall plug hub that can charge and power up to 5 different devices at once, and I'll explain how this thing works in just a second. You also get all the different wall plug adapters that you can change out for whatever country you're in, and the nice part is these are all labeled both in the box and on the adapter itself, so you know exactly what kind of plug you have. And if you're unsure about which plugs work in specific countries, you get a handy little guide here that lists every country in the world and the specific plug types that they use there, so you can be fully prepared ahead of time and pack just the right plug. You also get a nice little carrying bag for holding a couple plugs as well, so you can keep track of them and make sure they're organized in your bag. Now, it's really easy for me to sit here and proclaim that you get every kind of plug for every single country in this set, but I do want to go through each of the plug types so you know for sure you're getting the right plugs for your journey. First off, you've got the 2 plug types, A and B, for North America and Japan. You've got Type G for the UK and Hong Kong, Type I for China and Australia, J, L, N, and C for Switzerland, Italy, Brazil, and the rest of Europe, respectively, Types K and H for Denmark and Israel, and an EF plug for Germany and France, and finally a Type D for India. And if you have any doubts at all as to whether or not there's a plug here for the country you're visiting, check out the Ceptics website because they have a comprehensive list of every country and the plug type that goes with it. This is the main charging and power hub here, and this is what's going to go in the wall and juice up or power your devices. Obviously, you get 2 standard North American plugs up front along with 2 additional USB ports along the top, and actually 1 more additional attached micro USB cable hidden across the bottom. So you have the potential here to charge and power up to 5 different devices at once. Around back, you can see the slot for interchanging all the different international plug adapters you have, and swapping them on and off is a very straightforward process. Just line up the metal prongs and grooves and the plug slides and snaps right into place. When you're done, just push down the plastic hinge that's holding it in place and slide it right off. Along with just being a regular old plug adapter, this whole setup here is a surge protector to protect your expensive gear from voltage surges and spikes. And you also have an LED indicator on the front here that'll light up to show whether you've got 110 volts or 220 volts coming through the outlets. For a vast majority of regular smartphone, tablet, and laptop chargers and plugs, this travel adapter set is going to do the trick. However, it's important to note here that this isn't a voltage adapter, so if you specifically need that, this isn't the product for you. But for pretty much everyone else, this is going to be the perfect companion for keeping all your electronics powered on your trip. It's a compact, lightweight, but very powerful travel adapter that allows you to take exactly what you need on the specific trips you need it. And honestly, this is the kind of travel adapter set that you buy once and will likely end up keeping for years to come for all of your travels. It's the perfect companion for all international trips, and it's a must-have accessory for anyone who's headed out of the country this summer. So hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. If you have any questions about the Ceptics travel kit here, let me know in the comments and I'll try my best to help out if I can. But hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. Let me know where you're headed on your next trip in the comments down below. Also, be sure to follow Tech Daily on Twitter and subscribe to the Tech Daily YouTube channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys later.